Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup tutorial using all of my September 2020 Ipsy makeup products. I am very excited to see what kind of look I'm going to be able to come up with the products today because I have a lot of eyeshadow products and a lot of lip products. So I have already done full dedicated review videos on all of these products, so I'll have those linked in the description down below if you want to see more in-depth, detailed reviews on any of the products I show today. I also did my unbagging and unboxing videos for the month of September already, and I can't believe it's already October, so I'm going to be getting my October glam bags soon. So if you like to see those unbaggings and unboxings, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I already have my base makeup on. I just have my foundation and concealer, but underneath my foundation, I used the two primers that I got this month. So I got the Professional Hydrate Primer, which I am not a fan of. It actually makes my makeup look dry and cakey, and that's not what I want from my primer. However, the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base is amazing in my opinion. It grabs onto the makeup so well. So today I put the hydrating primer just where I have the large pores, so on my nose, and I did a little on my chin, but then I went over those same areas with the Huda Beauty makeup base. And I absolutely love how my foundation is looking. It looks so smooth, it looks hydrated, but this makeup base from Huda Beauty just, like I was saying, grabs onto the makeup so well, unlike any other primer I've ever used. So you know that your makeup is going to stay in place. You're going to get as much coverage as possible because the foundation is really sticking onto it. And it's also important for my foundation to stick on and stay in place when I'm wearing masks because I don't want my foundation just rubbing away. So I have been absolutely loving this Huda primer. However, the Professional, I am probably not going to use again. It just does not work for my skin. And before I go any further with putting on my eye makeup, I have to hydrate my lips. So I have been loving my Muse Deep Color Lip Balm in Poppy. Gorgeous packaging and so hydrating on the lips, so I just can't have dry, bare lips, so I have to go ahead and apply my lip balm right away. See the beautiful color it gives the lips as well? I just love this lip balm. Okay, now it's time to do eye makeup. So I got the PYT Day to Night Cool Eyeshadow Quad. I love this. I got the Nature's Cartel Eyeshadow Cream Trio. I also really love these. And then I got the Zoeva Caramel Melange Eyeshadow Palette. I like the formula of this. I'm not crazy about the colors in it, so I'm excited to be able to do a tutorial using other shades with this palette. And try and do not too orange of an eyeshadow look because the eyeshadow look that I made from that palette was just completely orange. And then I also got the Real Her Confidence in My Glow highlighter, which is a beautiful blinding highlighter, but it's also a gorgeous eyeshadow because it's got sparkle to it. So I want to incorporate this into my eye look as well. To start out, I am going to go ahead and set my eyelids. I did prime them just with my concealer when I was applying my concealer, but I'm going to go ahead and set that. So going into my Zoeva palette, I'm going to pick up this light matte brown shade, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Right, so just to cancel out a little discoloration and prep the lids for the other shades. Also, since I'm going to be applying some cream eyeshadow, I want to have a nice base for those to stick to. And so I'm going to pick up the Real Her Confidence in My Glow and use this as the brow highlight. And I'm so excited to fill in my brows with my new brow pencil that I've been loving. I like to do my brow highlight first, even before doing my brows, filling my brows in, because then the brow highlight is going to automatically be in the perfect place after filling in my brows and blending out the rest of my eyeshadow. Also, while I am using the highlighter, I'm also going to go ahead and brighten up the inner corners of my eyes. This is just such a pretty, sparkly, brightening highlighter that I have been loving for eye highlights. I don't so much use it on my cheeks just because I like more of a natural glow than a glittery glow. And so I'm gonna go into my Zoeva palette again and pick up this matte brown here to be my crease transition shade. And I really just want to diffuse out this color, but really using it to define and contour my eye shape. And this is a good matte brown shade for that. Yeah, just a little hint of contour and definition. I'm trying to go for a kind of casual meets glittery, easy, neutral eyeshadow look today, because that's kind of the vibe that I get from a lot of the eyeshadow products that I got this month, and I have been loving it. Usually I'm doing some colorful eyeshadow looks because I'm just so drawn to color, but I'm trying to keep it a little bit toned down for this look today. And then I'm going to use my PYT palette and pick up the beautiful purpley brown shimmer here and blend that into the outer V. And once again, I'm going to really try and diffuse this color. When I apply this with my finger, it's super pigmented and foiled, and I love that effect, but I'm trying to do more of a diffused, toned down glam right now. And this is so easy to blend out and diffuse that color. And this will really help to lift my eye shape by applying this darker shade into the outer V and adding more dimension and contour this way. I love how this shade looks. It's the perfect shade to give that lift, contour, shading to the eye, but it still has a little bit of shimmer to it. And then for the rest of my lid, oh gosh, I could use any of these Nature's Cartel shades, but I think I'm just really drawn to the Champagne Scandal for the look that I'm trying to do right now. So I'm gonna pick this up with my finger and tap it onto the rest of my eyelid to add some shimmer and brightness. And I like the sheer effect that I can get from this cream shade. So it's still really pretty and glam, but a little bit toned down. Perfect. Oh, this is exactly what I was envisioning when I wanted to do an eyeshadow look using all of these products. So it's a pretty toned down look, but there's a lot going on, a lot of different colors and textures. So it's an interesting eye look, even though the colors aren't too intense. So I'm very, very happy with this. And I love this cream formula. So fun to apply. All right, and then the other eye products that I got are the Pixi by Petra Endlessly Silky Eye Pen, and I got it in the shade Black Caviar and Bronze Beam. These are actually amazing eyeliners. So I'm gonna take the Black Caviar shade and just put a little bit of liner on the outer portion of my upper lash line. Not too much, just a little bit to define and kind of enhance that foxy eye effect and shape to the eye look. These are just so creamy and so easy to apply. I really do love these eyeliners. Then I'm just going to take a little brush and smoke that out along that upper lash line. I love how that just kind of lifts and elongates the eye. And since it's such a creamy eyeliner formula, it's so easy to blend out with this brush. And then I'm taking the brown shade and applying a little bit of that onto the lower lash line. So also just kind of focusing this in the outer half. This shade is so pretty. It has a metallic sheen. I love this color. And then I'm just taking the brush and blending and diffusing this eyeliner. Okay, seriously, I am so happy with this eye look. It's so perfect because today I'm kind of having like a fall day. I'm gonna go to the antique stores and then go to my family's house for a little happy hour. So I think this makeup look is perfect for that. It's not too over the top, but it's still pretty. I'm just gonna finish it off with some mascara. I did not get a mascara in Ipsy this month. Got a month off from getting mascaras. So I'm just going in with my Tarte Surfer Curl mascara. I like this mascara because it's really good on the lower lashes too. All right, eye makeup is done. Now I can move on to filling in my brows with my Item Brow Chow Ultra Fine Brow Definer, which I have been loving. It has this really awesome brush, which is so unique, but it blends out the product so nicely. So first I just brush through my crazy brow hairs, and then gonna fill it in with the triangle shaped pencil, which is so easy to use. And I actually really love the shade of this for me. The shade that I have is Warm Blonde. And I feel like it's just my perfect shade match. And it's so easy to get little precise hair-like lines. So when I fill my brows in with this product, I feel like it looks so natural, which is what I love for brows. Look at that. Then I just brush it through and it looks so good. There's absolutely no flaking. I'm just so excited about this brow pencil. It's amazing, and I'm very picky with my brow pencils. So this is a really good one. I feel like when I use this, I can't help but make the brows big and bold because it just looks so natural everywhere I apply it. So I'm just making my brows look so big, but I like it. I feel like that really helps my eye makeup look come together as well. And now I got two blushes, the Douce blush and the Pacifica Matte Bronzer and Blush Duo. I have been loving this Pacifica Duo, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzing and contour. I like to just take an angled brush. It has the mirror on the back here, which is super convenient. And this is just such a beautiful formula. Blends out so nicely, looks so smooth on the skin. And I really love the tone of bronzer. It's kind of golden, but not too yellowy or orange. But it definitely warms up the skin. I use it to contour under the jaw, do my nose a little bit. And I can't forget the forehead. This makes all the difference when I bronze and contour along the hairline. I feel like that gives so much color to the skin. Nice sun-kissed glow effect. And then I'm just gonna apply both blushes. Why not? Try and not go in with too much. So I'm gonna take a little bit from the Pacifica palette. Give some sun-kissed rosiness to the cheeks. And then I'll layer up some of the Douce Freematic Blush in Daydream. This is more of a neutral pink tone. I think I personally like the Pacifica blush tone more. This Douce blush is more of a dusty rose shade. But now I have some very pink cheeks, but that's okay. I love blush. All right, and now for lips. I have the Mayeli Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips, which I absolutely love. And I'm gonna use this as a lip liner. Just obsessed with this shade. It's in the shade Berry. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some sparkle. So I got the Galactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. I got 2 shades, Twinkle and Periwinkle. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Periwinkle shade and add some glitter to my lips. Ooh. Okay, I love how that looks on top of the lip liner and the tinted lip balm I already have on. Oh my gosh, that is such an amazing combo. It feels like I have a lot of products on my lips right now, but I still have one more to add. But I absolutely love how this looks right here. I'm definitely gonna do this combo again. Like, look at that. Look at how that looks on the lips. So pretty, so flattering. But the last product I have to use is the Nude Sticks Lip Glaze. So I have this in the shade Nude Cherry, and I'm just gonna add even more glossiness and color to the lips. I love the scent of this. Kind of reminds me of like mocha mint. Okay, that actually looks beautiful. It just gave it even more of a hot pink color. Oh my gosh, I love this lip combination. I did not think it was gonna look okay, but it actually looks amazing. I love this color, and it has so much sheen, but it also has some glitter. This is beautiful. Oh, I wish I could wear this out without having to wear a mask, but I have so much gloss on my lips right now. This is gonna have to come off before I put on a mask. But at least you get to see how amazing this lip combination is. And I never would have tried out layering up all these lip products if it wasn't for this video. Same for my eye makeup look. I love it, but I probably wouldn't have used all of those different products in one if it wasn't for this video. So I love doing these tutorials and going a little out of my comfort zone, putting products together that I wouldn't normally think to do. But in this case, for example, I love my makeup look. And here is the finished look. Oh, I feel so soft glam in this. So it's definitely looks like I'm wearing a lot of makeup, but it's not too crazy. So I am so happy with how this came out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.